Good afternoon, everybody. I hope you are having a great day. So, if you have read or watched Solo Leveling, anime that is, you will remember or you will be able to relate to this project very well. So, this is a system, a screen that tells you what to do, tracks your progress, rewards your consistency, and most importantly, it shows you that you are getting stronger. So, I wanted this system in real life, like in Solo Leveling anime, of course. Because honestly, I have seen in some Instagram reels that there is an Excel sheet that does that. There is Notion pages, notes that does that. But they were not really cutting it. Some of them were paid and not really doing the real thing. So they listed tasks, they looked organized, but they did not give the real pump of the progress or the dopamine hit. So, so I asked myself, so what if I could create that same system and replicate it as close as I can? So a system that not only stores tasks but schedules them based on your past activity, keeps the pace, keeps the routines, sleep, meals, recovery, every daily regular tasks are included. It lets you plan them ahead and rewards you for completing them. So not just XP, there are levels, there are streaks, there are rewards, and there is a batch, actually a huge number of batches that you unlock as you progress through. So every task become a quest and you just don't plan your day anymore. You level up through your day. So this is my attempt to replicate those static tools. And this is, you can say that this is the dynamic life planner that adapts, motivates, and makes discipline feel like progression and not oppression. So this is the starting page. I will just enter my name, or you can enter any username or player name you want. So this is the introduction page, and it starts. So first, there is a timeline. It starts with today's date. There is a daily mission. There are some daily work that you that that you must check in or complete. You can add new quests, and they will be scheduled in the timeline based on the starting time. There are types of quests that you are adding, what category they fall in, what how much energy they require in order to execute that. So XPs will be provided accordingly. You have to be honest with yourself in this case. Also, this can be recurring. For example, you go to school every day, then you can make this recurring that every day this will be a case. You can add quests for future days as well. Similarly, you can remove a recurring quest by releasing the path. You can add a new quest. For example, let's say after breakfast at 7:30, I want to add a quest of studying from 8 to 10. So I can just say add. So study, morning study. I can just say it's the study. It's a main quest maybe. So I want to study for 120 minutes. Okay, let's say starting with a zero for some reason. So it will start at 8 a.m. and it will end at 10. It will mention by adding. And let's say it's a recurring quest. So if I create, you will see that in the timeline it is getting added. Now, since today, or you can say that strategy is recommended, you can edit this or you can mark this as completed. This will add to your study-based tasks that you have done something. Yeah, so study-based one task has been completed in your entire life. There is a detailed heat map system like in GitHub. This is a scale that what kind of tasks you have done, and it shows you a level that you have done this much of ritual-based work, this much of work, this much of study, and this much of health-based work. So it will form a map or triangular graph, you can say. There is a detailed badge system that I call the Hall of Fame. It will give you badges based on your streak, your XP, your combat, health related, wisdom, speed, collection, and mastery and elite, which unlocks as you progress through days after days. You can, there is a light mode as well, and I have kept this app very simple and lightweight, so you can just export your entire data in a JSON file anywhere in your system, and you can import it. You can reset the progress, but we recommend exporting it before resetting this entire thing. There is a guide and on how you can level up and how the ranks are defined, how you can level up, and how you will be penalized if you don't remain inactive or don't do tasks. So there is a streak loss, there is an XP reset, and there is a rank demotion. And trust me, if you are already in rank A and you got demoted to rank D, it will take much longer to progress from D to A than losing it, I would say. So keep consistent. Otherwise, of course, you can cheat your way through, but who are you cheating anyways? You can add your own profile picture, or you can select one of the avatars. Okay, there are some preset avatars, or you can upload your own image from the PC. I think this does it for this project. I hope you will enjoy this project. Have a great day. By the way, this is a GitHub repo, and thank you very much for watching.